In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new pipeline in Pipedrive. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to tailor a pipeline to match your sales process so your deals move smoothly from first contact to closed one. Start on your Setup Guide homepage in Pipedrive. This is the landing area that helps you configure your account, and it's a handy place to begin because everything you need is just a click away. From here, look to the left-hand side of your screen and open the Deals section. This takes you into the main workspace where your pipelines live, displayed as a board with columns that represent each stage of your process. Once the Deals view is open, take a moment to get oriented. You'll see your current pipeline at the top and your stages spread out across the screen. Now, shift your attention to the right side of the page. That's where the controls for managing pipelines are located. You're looking for the option to create a new one. Click New Pipeline. This opens the creation window where you'll define the structure that best mirrors your team's real-world flow. Start by giving your pipeline a clear, descriptive name that everyone will recognize, like new business, renewals, or partnerships. Choose something that makes it obvious when to use this pipeline versus others you may already have. Next, customize the stages. This is where the pipeline becomes truly useful. Add the key steps your deals go through, arrange them in the correct order, and rename any default stages so they're action-oriented and unambiguous. Think along the lines of qualified, discovery, proposal sent, negotiation, and won. Keep it simple to start. 4 to 7 stages are usually enough. If you see an add stage option, use it to include any steps you're missing. If your workflow includes probabilities or expected progress markers, you can name stages with that in mind and refine details later once the pipeline is in use. Review all the information you've entered and make sure it aligns with how your team actually works. Consistency here reduces friction later, especially when multiple people are moving deals through the same stages. When everything looks good, click Save Changes. Your new pipeline will appear in the pipeline selector in Deals, ready to use. You can switch to it immediately, drag and drop deals as they progress, and fine-tune stage names or ordering over time as your process evolves. That's all there is to it. Your customized Pipedrive pipeline is live and ready to streamline your sales.